So, hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a programming language called Python, and why Python and not any other programming language. That's a topic for any other video. So today I'm going to go over how to install Python and the first few basic codes to learn in Python. So let's first install the Python console in our device. Go to python.org. Once you are in the Python website, you get to download the latest versions of Python. Now, as per your system, I request you to download. You can download Python 3.9, that is the latest version of Python if you are in a Windows 10, or if you are in a Windows 8 or Windows 7, then I recommend you to use Python 3.7, which is the previous version. So I'll go ahead and download Python 3.9, which is already installed. You can just click over here and select the version that you want to download by scrolling down. You get all these embeddable packages and installer. You get web-based installers, and you can download any of them as per your requirement, and all of them are just going to work fine. Another thing that you need to install is a Python interpreter, that is a Visual Studio Code or PyCharm, but I recommend you to install none of them at the first steps. Go ahead with the IDE that is provided with Python 3.9, and once you have mastered that, you can go ahead and use PyCharm or any other better softwares. So once you have installed Python, you can directly open IDE, which is the Python itself, and you can also open it through the terminal, but I will open it through search. Now Python has some very basic syntax. Now today I'll be showing a very few, like print, and then you give brackets and then colons, and whatever you print within this will be getting printed. You give the basic numericals and it shall solve. Now Python is not just about one-line commands, it's more. So if you really want to create a big console with multiple commands, then you can go and save it. I'll save it in the desktop itself and giving it the name project 1.py Python files, and then save it. You can see it's been saved over here. Now I'm going to edit it with IDE. You can delete all these, and now you can write multiple line commands like hello world, this is the first project, and then basic numericals. You can give multiplications, you can give divisions. Division by 0 will yield a result. I'll be showing you that also. So now when I run this code, I need to save that first. Once I have saved it, if I run it, you can run from here, or you can just press F5. You can see that these all are printed, but in line 6 it gives an error that 0 division error or division by 0. So you can't divide by 0. If I delete this, save it, and then run it again, you will be seeing that these are getting printed, but these are not, because when you run in a console, you have to use the command print to get any user output. Over here, if I write, let's see if that works. Now you will be getting the result. But if you put the inverted commas, then it's going to use 12 plus 13 as a sentence or a string, and it's going to print 12 plus 13 itself. So you need to keep these in mind when you are coding. So these were the basics of Python. This is all for the first tutorial. Follow up for more tutorials and more exciting projects with Python. Thank you.